I put the transit van up in the ramps. I'm going to attempt to fit a towbar. Shouldn't be any bother like that. Who knows? Like and subscribe.
Check it, others. Alright. Back a wee bit, eh? That was sound it back a wee bit, yeah.
Wedge in the ramp. Right. There's two bolts and the chassis up here. Got that one out. I've got a spanner on this other one. I've cracked it. I've worked it. I'm just gonna put the battery ratchet on. You can't get the gun on because of the spare wheel. Yep. So wind this bolt out. That one's already hit. Do the same at the other side. Aye. I'm at the last one now. At the driver's side. That's both the brackets bolted on either side. Using two of the existing bolts and two new bolts. Well, they're all new bolts, but two of the bolts for the crash bar. When it comes back, we'll offer it up. It's loose, like, it's still loose. That's my side. What's his side like? Oh, not looser than mine.
We'll get the bar on at that, Rodney.
Aye, aye. Right, I've got the bar up now. Let's put it on these.
There, that looks alright, looks bang on.
Is that enough washers for one at the head and at the...
Aye, two each.
Right. Come out.
That can all be tightened up. What would you tighten first, the crossbar or the chassis brackets?
I would tighten your chassis side up a bit because it's a bit looser than mine.
Right, I'll do that.
Aye, and then we'll tighten up the tow bar a bit, and then we'll tighten up the chassis again, then finally tighten it off. Loosey. Let's tighten up these bolts and give everything its final tighten. After that, that'll be it done. And the last two now. And man's just the way of taking his step to bits. There's the other one. Oh, up there. Right, this side it's final tighten, and it's final tighten on the chassis bolts. That'll be it. So well. Eh?
Don't know where I'm meant to air fit like.
Quite sure you'll find a bit. Alright, okay. Hefty on that.
Yeah.
Hefty.
Right. So a big plug. Then
Right.
this obviously this stays outside the van, this fucking relay thing up, square box goes on here,
Yep.
I've got it there. Then we just need to air fit. Okay, what I mean? Just
Run that to the front. So, how big a... Where's... How...
we need to feed the opposite end that I've got.
I see, right, the back end. Feed that end through towards the back from the front.
So if I can get this through and get it pulled through and we get that plugged up,
Yep.
there's no much in it.
Yep.
There's already this. See, that's the Ford fucking wiring, but
Aye, but you'll be unplugging that and plugging your own in. Is that not what the idea is?
Aye, but it's a total different thing I'm on about. It's a big fucking... Fucking relay in. You know, we're going to fasten these earths up on it.
No, leave them in there.
Aye.
Aye. I would do them later. I'll do them last, once, just in case it power, you know what I mean, if you earth that could power it up, maybe, I don't know.
Right, okay.
Got it connected. You gotta lie under it.
Yeah.
Du, 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 du. Where's the tow ball?
On the bench.
In the bench in the shed?
No, no.
Oh, over there. Right, I'll fling that on. Put the ball on. That's where your sparking skills come. Pin the plug.
Right, what'll do it?
You got a diagram, I take it?
Aye, what goes in what like?
Aye,
yeah,
numbered, aye, coloured.
Right, open your hand up and I'll give you these 4 old bolts and all these
Right.
spare washers.
Stuck, stuck.
Do you want to bring me back?
22.
24 I think it is, wasn't
If we'll give me one, I'll take it. Got it pinned up. Just, these are nylon, these tow ball bolts. He's just doing the arse at the front, connecting it back up, and I'm tightening this up. Right. Tools. I should really go and get a socket for this tow ball. Try it. I should really go and get a socket for the tow ball. Try it with the spanners just because it's a nylon. Actually done it right way, Jay. Where will that rest? On the tow bar itself, that's fine. Right, I'll knit this up. I'll go in and get a gun. Take 2 seconds. Get a socket. Tighten the ball up. Oh. And check that later with a bat. Got the light tester in and it's lighting up. Don't know how to work the tester.
Even got my glasses on to see what I'm doing. I'll give him a quick phone.
Aye, find out how it works. It's
I
probably right enough, like
I think we're right enough. I just want to double.
Is there not something needs to get programmed or something?
Aye, parking sensors. Put it in reverse, but I can do
This
away
thing in
with it.
them, aye.
Aye, it's flashing as it's going on and off. Red, green.
That'll be right enough,
The
huh?
other side should be right. Yep.
Want me to put a foot in the brake? You watch it.
Aye, you go and put your foot in the brake. And that should be it.
Aye. In there. In. On. Off. On. Oh, that's that all done. He's just putting the step back together. Got the cable. The wires tidy up just at the back bit. That'll be it. It's 4:20 and it's still a wee bit light. Getting better. Cold though. Really cold. Don't know what temperature it is, but you got He's got his motocross helmet on the towbar. That's cool. Job done. Don't normally play with modern yokes, but it's not a wee bit different with my hand to put his towbar on.